Mr. Mufareh has broken the code of silence. Newbies and people with families looking to make money, Onpassive is your goldmine. Onpassive will work the business for you. Never again will you have wasted your money and time by getting into a company and being asked to contribute month after month and not seeing any results. Onpassive is taking that away, and you will say, I can make it successfully. What Mr. Mufareh and his staff are doing is completely revolutionary, completely disrupted, and completely ethical. Never would you have to worry about looking at the small print that gurus make to keep themselves legitimate but not ethical. Onpassive has taken all of those concerns away for internet users who are using digital products. That is truly astounding. Onpassive will start to roll out disruptive digital products, produced by artificial intelligence from the ground up, over market value products, starting with the worldwide release of the mega platform called OConnect, which will have the gurus in tears because for the first time ever, Onpassive will create a level playing field. Sit back and get excited by what Onpassive will soon release for the benefit of not only those who are looking to improve their lot in life and their family's lot, but also humanity. What drives Mr. Mufareh, his family, and his staff is helping humanity by giving them things that they can't have in the real world. They'll have that with Onpassive.